Hi folks, it's Reed Tobel, Rivers West Auction. We're in Cardwell, Montana for the London Hills Potato Equipment Liquidation Auction. Here's the third one of these. This one is labeled number 3, so there's 3 identical of these 40-foot straight conveyors. They're 30 inches wide. They're Logan Track Pros. This one here is going to stand out a little bit. It's got the hitch to hook onto the piler. It also is labeled here with the number 3, so as identical as all 3 of these look, make sure that you know which number you're bidding on. They all are very identical. Very little use, as you can see. There's just no rub on them. One of them has probably just a little bit more rub than the other 2. I don't remember which number it is, but you'll see it in the pictures. You're going to see it at preview. And all of this equipment going to sell in June. Right here. Just not a single thing wrong with any of them. Quiet running. 3 horsepower, 3-phase motor. And gonna sell this coming June right here in Cardwell. It's the London Hills Potato Equipment Liquidation Auction in Cardwell, Montana.